Let's discuss exercise 12.2. First question, find the area of a sector of a circle with radius 6 centimeters. Here given radius of the circle is 6 centimeters and angle of the sector is 60 degrees. Sector, this is a sector, angle equal to 60 degrees and radius equal to 6 centimeters. We know the area of the sector formula. Area of a sector equal to theta by 360 into pi r square. Theta by 360 into pi r square. Substitute theta value 60 by 360. Here theta equal to 60 degrees by pi r square. 0.06166 6 times. Here pi value 22 by 7. Radius is 6 centimeters. So r square means r into r. It means 6 into 6, which is equal to 622 times 132 by 7. Area units are square units. Square centimeter. Second question, find the area of a quadrant of a circle whose circumference is 22 centimeters. Here given circumference of the circle. Circumference of circle equal to 22 centimeters. This is a given. Here we have to find area of the quadrant. First, what is quadrant? Draw circle. Circle divided into 4 equal parts. Each part is called quadrant of a circle. Each part equal to quadrant of a circle. So here we have to find quadrant area. So this shaded is area. So this area bounded by 2 radii and corresponding arc. So it is a sector. What is the area of the sector? Area of sector equal to theta by 360 degrees into pi r square. Okay, here theta value, we know theta equal to 90 degrees. This is 19, this part is 19, this is 90, this is 90. So here theta value 90 degrees and pi value 22 by 7 and r value, we don't know r value, but we know circumference of the circle. Circumference of the circle equal to 22 centimeters. What is the formula for circumference? 2 pi r equal to 22 centimeters to 11 times pi value 22 by 7 into r equal to 11. R equal to 11 into by 7 comes to this side. Then it is into 7 by into 22. It will becomes by 22. 11 ones, 11 twos. So radius of the circle is 7 by 2 centimeters. Okay. So radius, substitute in the formula, area of the sector. Therefore area of sector equal to theta by 360 degrees into pi r square. Here we have to find area of quadrant equal to theta value 90 degrees by 360 into 22 by 7. Here use pi value 22 by 7. R square is 7 by 2 into 7 by 2. 7 get cancelled. 0.094 times 2 11 times 11 sevens are 77 by 4 twos are 8. So here area of the quadrant equal to 77 by A 77 by 8 centimeters square. Area units square units. Square centimeters. Third question. The length of a minute hand of a clock is 14 centimeters. Find the area swept by minute hand in 5 minutes. Here we have to find area swept by a minute hand in 5 minutes. See these figures. First one. What is the time here? 1 o'clock. How can you say this is 1 o'clock? Hour hand at 1 and minute hand at 12. So this is 1 o'clock. Next, suppose minute hand rotating, it rotates complete circle, then it is a 2 o'clock. Minute hand rotated one complete circle, then it is a after one, then it is a 2 o'clock. 2 o'clock means minute hand at 12 and hour hand at 2. Okay, this is 2 o'clock. What is the change here? Minute hand rotated one complete circle, then it is a 2 o'clock. First 1 o'clock, next 2 o'clock. What is the difference 1 o'clock and 2 o'clock? 1 hour. 1 hour is the difference. 1 hour equal to minute hand rotated one complete circle. What is the angle in one complete circle? 360 degrees. It means 1 hour equal to 360 degrees. 1 hour equal to how many minutes? 60 minutes. 60 minutes equal to 360 degrees. Here we want 5 minutes. 5 minutes equal to how many degrees? Okay, angle formed in 5 minutes equal to how many degrees? 1 minute. 60 minutes equal to 360 degrees. Then 1 minute equal to 360 degrees by 60 into 60 comes to this side by 60. 0 0 cancel, 6 ones 6 times. So 1 minute. Angle formed in 1 minute equal to 6 degrees. Angle formed in 1 minute equal to 6 degrees. Here we want angle formed in 5 minutes. Angle formed in 5 minutes equal to 1 minute 6 degrees. So 5 minutes means 6 degrees. 1 minute 6 degrees into 5 minutes. How much? 30 degrees. Or another method. See, this is a circle. Here we want 5 minutes. 2 to 3. It is a 5 minutes. 1 to 5. 5 minutes. 3 to 4. 5 minutes. So, difference between corresponding numbers, consecutive numbers is 5 minutes. Okay. So, this is a semicircle. Angling a semicircle equal to 180 degrees. Half of the semicircle. This is a quadrant of a circle. This angle equal to 90 degrees. So, this is 12. 1, 2, 3. Here we want 12 to 3 difference is 5 minutes. So, divided quadrant into 3 equal parts. Total angle in a quadrant equal to 90 degrees divided into 3 equal parts by 3. How much angle? 30 degrees. 3 30s to get 90 degrees. Okay, 90 degrees. So 5 minutes angle equal to 30 degrees. Is it clear? So therefore area covered by a minute hand in 5 minutes equal to theta by 360 into pi r square. 360 into pi r square. Here theta value 30 degrees by 360 into pi value 22 by 7. R is nothing but radius of the circle. Here given minute hand, length of the minute hand. This is the radius of the circle. 14 centimeters. 14 into 14, which is equal to 154 by 3 centimeters square. Therefore, area covered by a minute hand in 5 minutes equal to 154 by 3 centimeters square.